Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a sort of unpacking here for this set of screwdrivers, and we will review them here shortly. The model number is TB, sorry, here we go, TBH5S8-A. As you can see, the brand name is ToughBuilt, and I purchased this from Lowe's. This is regularly $40 when you see it online or in store, but at one point I saw this for $9 at their store in their clearance section. I think the time frame was June of 2024. This was $9. At some other stores was $15. The one I found was $9, and I purchased it. So it's, you don't want to pass on a 8 set like this for $9. It's a very good set. You can see here it has a lifetime warranty, and a few of the features listed here on the packaging. So it has a tri-handle or ergonomic tri-panel grip that is rubber for comfort. And it has a wrench bolster right here that you can use a wrench with it in case you need to apply more torque on a fastener to turn it. So that is a good feature here. The shank itself is black chrome plated steel shank to prevent rust, and it provides longevity. And the tip is magnetic, and it is nickel plated. And the included sizes are Phillips, slotted, square, and cabinet. So you have number 1, 2, and 3 Phillips, and you have quarter and 5/16 for the slotted. The square, you have number 1 and number 2, and cabinet is 3/16. I'm assuming it's this small one here is for the cabinet. On the back side, let's see, we have lanyard hole right here. They all have that hole, and we talked about the handle being ergonomic tri-panel handle, and we talked about the wrench bolster there, and nickel plated tip, and a few features listed here. Magnetic, okay, we talked about that. Black chrome plated, we talked about that. Wrench bolster, okay, we talked about all of this. As we said, they have a lifetime warranty there, and this is available at Lowe's currently for $40 though. Let's go ahead and open the package using my handy dandy cutter. See if it's enough like that. Maybe not. I need to cut it some more. I'm sorry, I hit the camera, guys. Man, they make these packages really tough, man. Yeah. Here we go. I don't know, does the packaging need to be this tough? Alright, so here they are. Turn this light on now since there is no reflection now. Yeah, this, you can see the handle, I mean the tip is magnetic, right? And the handle is very nice. You can see the panels here are very well divided. And yeah, so if you want to use an adjustable wrench like this, you can. Or if you want to use just a regular wrench, you know, the box end or ratcheting side of it, you can. Let me bring some wrenches here so we can work with. Alright, so I brought this 1/2 inch wrench. So imagine if you have a box end, and this is ratcheting, but box end or open end, this fits really good. So you can, you know, put it like that and apply some torque on it. Now if you use the ratcheting part, I don't know, you might get yourself stuck in a position where you, if it's tight space, you might get stuck in a position where the screwdriver and this thing gets stuck. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, probably use the open side, open end, more flexible. You can always just pull it out. So that is for the wrench. I also brought some screws here, and I brought a piece of wood right there. So what we will do is we will test a little bit. So this is just a 1 1/4 inch long Phillips. Let's see, this is number 2, and it fits perfect. Of course, it's also magnetic. So you can see it is oh, yeah, you have to shake it really hard. So what I'm trying to say is the fitment of the tip is really good. So this is just a number 2. So that's shaking it and it's falling, but if I don't shake it, it's not falling, right? Okay, so let's see, let's apply. Maybe this is too big. Yeah, this is too big. Let me get something smaller. There we go. So I got the, what is this, 3/8. So let's apply some torque. Well, this is gonna move, so I don't have a vise on this bench. Otherwise we could have put it in a vise and tried forcing it to go further. Countersink. Yeah, you got the idea. Let's try the, let's see, this doesn't have a star, so we'll put these star bits back, I mean the screws. Here is the square ones, and this is 2 1/2 inch long. There you go. This is number 2 square. Let's go ahead and try driving this by hand. Already came out this way. Of course, it's 2 1/2, and the width here is 1 1/2, so it's gonna stick out. But you can see it. Can drive it by hand into the 2x4 there with no problem. And again, the fitment on the square, very good fitment. If I shake it, it falls, but you know, you're shaking it on purpose, so it falls. But if you don't shake it, This is stuck to the fastener. Very good. Of course, it's magnetic tip, but even with magnetic, the fitment is really good. You can feel it by hand. It's really good fitment. All right, so that is it, guys. I hope this was fun to watch and maybe enjoyable. You liked it, and if you're interested, visit your local Lowe's. In my case, there are multiple Lowe's in the area, so sometimes I just drive and check out some other stores just to see their clearance section, and I found some good stuff sometimes. So this time was a set of screwdrivers. Of course, I don't need screwdrivers, but for $9, I'm not letting this go. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video with me, and if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll respond back to you. And if you found it helpful and fun to watch, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and I will see you all in the next video. Please have a nice day. Bye bye. Cheers.